Hi guys, Namaste Ellarigu. Welcome back to my channel AJ Fighter. I know I have not uploaded any video from past 3 months. After my Rameshwaram and Kanyakumari trip, I haven't uploaded anything, and this is a new video that I am going to do it now. So I bought new mic as well. So let's see how that works for me. And yeah, I just got into bus now. I booked a bus, but 1 hour delay it happened, and we have to wait in Kalamandir for more than an hour. Finally, we got the bus and we are there. Okay, let's see. Hope all travel is good and no problem. Hotel. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel AJ the Fighter. And we have reached Kanjipuram here, and we are trying to go to our hotel. So actually Kanjipuram, they will get down us at bypass. From there we need to take an auto or a bus and come to the city. We are walking and going to our hotel. So we have reached here around, what's the time? It's already 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and we are just walking. It's almost 800 meters from the bus stand. So we are walking and going there. Let's see how the hotel is. I booked manually. I did not book online because early morning check-in was not taking from online. So I called the person and I booked it. So behind me is the bus stand of Kanjipuram, and we are walking. Our hotel is after the bus stand, so we are going. That's our hotel, KNR Residency. We're going to stay there tonight. This is what is a hotel we have got. 2,200 plus 600 extra, almost 3,000 we have paid for this. This is a bathroom. It's very basic. This is the bed. That's it. This place, a small cupboard, and there's a bed, and there's a small bathroom. We should get ready and go to temple now. So let's go. And the temple is nearby only, almost it is also 800 meters from this hotel. So we'll have to get ready and walk and go to the temple. So mostly after going to the temple, I can see if I can do video or not. I'm not aware. So if it is available, then I can do the video. Yes, we have got ready now. Now we are going to temple. So temple will be open till 12:30 in the afternoon, and again it will open at 3:45 in the evening. So we'll have to rush now. We don't have much time. We have already reached. It's already 8:30 here. Maybe going there it will take some 10-15 minutes, and after that I don't know if queue will be there or not. We'll have to see. Keep watching. I'll give more information about Kamakshi temple and how it is built and why it is famous here. And there is obviously, you guys, everybody knows it, Kanchipuram sarees are very famous here in Kanchipuram here. But there are many fake shops, and there are many original shops which does the manufacture and then also sell it here. So maybe I'll explore the shopping places as well here, check the prices. If I like it, I'll buy also. So we'll see what can happen. We are near to temple now. We see a pond, but no water here. It's very hot here. It's a month of April. April. So it's very hot here. And I see a lot of AS Babu Shah shops. and I need to see. I don't know which one is right, which one is correct because I've heard a lot about AS Babu shopping place as well. So let's see how that goes. I'm almost near to the temple, guys. And this is the temple, guys. Reached already. This is what the surrounding places near to the temple. It's not a huge thing, but I think it's not quite that rush also. Tomorrow is the New Year Canadian day, and maybe that's because tomorrow might be rush. Might not be today. Let's see. We're done with Darshana. I think it is done very less amount of time. Like mostly in 20-30 minutes, your Darshana will be over normal days. Maybe if it is any festival, it might take 1 hour to 2 hours. It doesn't take much time to get Darshana. I think morning time it's good to come and leave early. So it's nice. I think I felt good. Darshana, it's very rush. At the point of Garbhagudi, it's very rush. But then people push you here and there, but whatever you feel like you pray it for the Kamakshi Amma and then you can leave. So it's a nice feeling here after coming to Kanchipuram. I was thinking for a longer time to come here because I used to go to Chennai multiple times and it is near to the Chennai. So I was thinking to come here, but then this time it happened. And to tell more about Kamakshi, it is one of the Shakti temple, Shakti Peeth. And so people and the history says that it is the Sati when she got Bhasma, right? And her navel part is here in Kamakshi temple. So that's what people believe it. And after that, many kingdoms like Cholas, Pandavas, and many of the people have built and republished and did redevelopment, did the all for this temple, and it is maintained quite very well. I don't see any cups here. So I want to see more what's there inside. I think mobiles are not allowed inside, so I could not take much of video, but here and there I took 1 or 2 snaps. I'll upload it in the video.
ब्रिज के नंद लाला राधा के सांवरिया सब दुख
See a nice surrounding here. It has water. Even though normally it did not have any water. It has water. Nice. So we did take a round of the temple and tumba bisilu. It's very hot here. I don't know how people are surviving here, the native place. Maybe they are adapted to this environment, but it's really very hot, guys. We have come, we have here. Maybe We just came here because my brother is already prepared and I don't have only idli, no, not left. So I've ordered puri now. Left puri, go to room, and or there's one more temple here. If possible, we'll go there and after that, in the evening time, when we return, Dinner, then come to another temple near to the Kamakshi only. Looks like this is also pretty famous temple. And you see at the behind of me is a Ulagland Perumal temple, and it's also near to, on the way to Kamakshi temple and very near to Kamakshi temple. And I think you should come here. It's a small temple, but when you go inside, it's a huge monument, huge in the like in the stone itself. They've did the big design of Mahabali Chakravarti Murti there. It's a worth of watching there inside, and it's very divine and very great look. And you should come here. This is Ulagland Perumal temple on the way to Kamakshi. I think it's Vaman Avatar, Mahabali Chakravarti. I think the Swami Pujari was saying, and I think it's worth of coming here. I thought it's normal Perumal temple, but it's like, I think it's very famous and big and huge, and has a lot of respect. And I see many people are coming here as well. So if you guys coming to Kamakshi temple, I think you must come here also and explore this place as well. We came here for a juice break. It's very hot here. We're not able to sustain for a few hours. We came here to have some juice. My brother is having Madulai juice, which is in English. If you guys know it, put me in a comment section. Okay, and I am having pineapple juice. So let's see how it is here. And this shop name is what? Something in Tamil, I can't understand. Yeah. I'm seeing birds here. They kept for sale. कितना भैया इसका एक का? Price 3,000. और छोटू वाला? 600. See, so costly. I don't know from where they are getting all these birds, and they are keeping it here and torturing them. They are in a pain. Looks like they are pain. So after the temple darshan, we immediately came back to room, and we were hell tired because whole night we did not sleep. Whole night we traveled from Bangalore, and we slept for a few hours. Now it is 4 o'clock in the evening. So we got fresh up, changed ourselves, and we are trying to ahead to see some of the shopping centers. And after that, if possible, if we time there, we'll go to the Perumal Varadaraj temple, which is also one of the Jyotirling out of 108 Jyotirlinga that we have. Out of that, this is one of them, and it's quite famous temple here. And it closes at 8 o'clock, guys. So we don't know if time permits. We're going there. Now we'll go out of the hotel and start searching for some of the silk sarees, and let's see what happens. Oh my god, so hot. So many promotions are happening for different silk shops here. We saw many, and it's huge. Here also we see one of the silk saree shop. And I don't know. We we are going to Prakash silk saree shops. I've heard some good reviews about it. Let's see and go. We're going to Prakash shop now. We have explored some small shops and now we're taking Prakash. Let's see how it goes here.
ब्रिज के नंद लाला राधा के सांवरिया सब दुख दूर हुए जब तेरा नाम लिया ब्रिज के नंद लाला राधा के सांवरिया सब दुख दूर हुए जब तेरा नाम लिया ब्रिज के नंद लाला
Finally, after trying out a lot of things and talking to family and all, I have got one sari. I'll show you. It's almost a simple blue color sari, but this is my first silk sari ever I bought for myself. So I'm very happy, and it's around 5 to 10,000 rupees. Even though it is very simple, maybe, but after wearing it properly, it looks very rich. I am sure. So now we are done with Prakash Silks and Saris. Here what I got, this is the shop name. And now we are going to the temple, which is the Shiva temple. So this we reached here, Varadaraja temple, and it's so huge, guys. It's so huge. There's a lot of place here. We are going inside. There is Pushkarani here. It's looking so good. Here only I'm getting little cloud. It's getting darker here. So we don't know the Jyotirlinga here. So we are searching now. One more guy advised us to go straight and something to do. Let's see. We are going again inside the temple. We came back to room now, and we came by auto. There was no possibility of vehicle and all those things. We took a share out and came here near to bus stand. Maybe it's already 8:30, 8 o'clock. Maybe we'll see 1 hour later we'll go for food. See. Okay, so we came back in the evening and we slept, and today it's morning time next day, and we are leaving Kanchipuram and some work in Chennai, so we are going to Chennai, and after that we'll return back to Bangalore. And that's all for the video, guys, and thanks for watching all the videos and commenting me and giving me some motivation. Thank you so much. Hello guys, good morning. Kanchipuram is done trip. We are going to Chennai now. We heard about a lot of local trains from Kanchipuram to Chennai, so we came to station already. So this is what station looks like. It's not well maintained, guys. See what is there here? This is a district and they're not maintaining it properly. I'll take a proper video and upload it as well. And see, there is no maintenance everywhere. Plastic paper is there's no dustbin properly, and there's not. I think only one good thing is they have parking space, good parking places there. Other than that, there's no maintenance, and it's a heavy hot place. They're not putting any facility for the people. Okay, it's like burning hot here. I don't know. Let's see how that goes. And they don't have AC seats, with normal only. So local trains, and it is 25 rupees per ticket. It's budget friendly, but let's see how the journey goes. Maybe 2 to 3 hours journey will be till I reach Chennai. I'll keep you updated, guys. You guys see beard bakri also? There are goats here. See, they're roaming there. This is a local train from Kanchipuram. We came inside the train now, and it's very spacious. Lot of seats are there, and you can see the city guard how it looks like, and it has quite ventilation, and so you don't feel too much hot here. I think best way to travel to Chennai from Kanchipuram, guys. I suggest you to take local trains from Kanchipuram whenever you try to Chennai. You guys don't know till now. We came to Nugambakam. This is after 2.5 hour journey, we have reached Nugambakam. This is how the station looks like. It's quite okay than the Kanchipuram station. It's like local, it will stop in all the stops. So for me nearest is Nugambakam, so I came here. Hello, we came to Chennai Nugambakam bus stop, and Nugambakam bus stop at the railway station, and then in front of it we see a cafe called Royal Cafe and Restaurant. We came here to try food. What we're trying is egg masala and butter roti. Let's see how that goes. With the food and going to hotel, no Crescent Park hotel that we booked. I don't know if that experience will be good because of Kanchipuram. I did not like the hotel. This one also almost 2,700 rupees I paid it. Hello, so we have reached hotel now. This is Crescent Park Hotel, which is in the Nugambakam. Since I had to give visa interview, I came here. This is a room. This is my Toka brother. And I'll show you the room. Okay, 1 second. From the door, they have given enough space to keep your luggages. And here also some shelf is there. And the bathroom is quite clean. And this is a bedroom. They have given 2 chairs, a big bed, TV, and a coffee, and other things. AC is working here. I hope TV is also working here. They have given the reception number as well. Okay, it's all quite good. So I like the hotel. Let's see if you guys like this hotel. Marine Beach, Chennai.
I've
Had
walked
potato
through
twister.
shadows,
I don't think you guys will be able to hear. I did
felt
not
the
hit my
way.
mic. Just came like that.
carried dreams
Lot of food
that
places.
seemed like
Food.
fate.
Lot of places are there here.
In the silence, I found my voice. Through the struggle, I made my choice. Every tear was a lesson learned. Every scar